Welcome to the setup guide for the Train Anywhere Skill Kit, TASKit. In this guide, we will walk you through assembly, webcam installation, and a few sample exercises. First, let's review the things included in your kit. In the box, you should find a trainer tote bag containing a trainer frame, a pegboard platform, a riser for the trainer, exercise cards, and a TASKit pouch containing colored beads, plastic containers, metal posts, rubber bands, and clips, and a webcam with software disk, riser, and pouch. You will need some additional materials that are not included in the kit as well. A laptop or other computer on which to install the webcam software is required. A desktop computer may be used. However, a laptop is easier to position for simulating the view of an OR monitor. You will also need laparoscopic instruments such as a grasper, dissector, clip applier, trocar sleeves, and scissors. Trainer assembly. To assemble the trainer, unfold the frame to form an open box. Position the pegboard tray and platform in the trainer frame so they rest evenly on the bottom of the frame. Make sure the gray pegboard platform is placed in the white tray with the flat, solid side up. Close the top of the trainer, placing the top flaps over the outside of the frame sides. A riser has been included to simulate the tilt of the OR table. The riser may be placed in two positions depending upon your height. Experiment to see which way works best for you. Next, attach the rubber webcam riser under the base of the webcam. This simulates the downward view of a laparoscope. Remove the paper cover on the disc-shaped rubber riser. Align the camera base over the riser and press down firmly. Do not attach the webcam to your computer until the software has been installed. Installing the webcam software. Insert the mini CD found in the bottom of the webcam box under the cardboard into your computer's CD/DVD drive. The installation program should launch automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver and software. You may be prompted to restart your computer after the installation before plugging in the webcam. If so, restart and then plug in the webcam into an open USB port. If the software does not automatically launch, go to My Computer, locate your CD/DVD drive, and double-click to launch the Install Shield wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the webcam software and drivers on your computer. Plug the webcam into an open USB port on your computer. The included webcam may have a USB cable and an audio cable. It is not necessary to plug the audio cable into your computer for use with a TASKit trainer. The Found New Hardware dialog box will appear and the final files will be installed. You may be prompted to restart your computer again before the camera is recognized. If so, restart now. Open your programs. Click the program titled USB PC Camera vMicro 301 Neptune and launch the AMCAP subprogram. To make the view full screen, click on the Maximize button at the top right of the program box. If you have a laptop with a built-in webcam, you will need to go to Devices on the top of the AMCAP screen and choose the USB PC Camera vMicro 301 Neptune device each time you open the program. An icon has been added to your desktop to launch the AMCAP program and to open the zoom function of the program for your convenience. When the AMCAP program is active, a zoom control will appear in your system tray at the bottom of your screen. To zoom, double-click on the icon in the system tray. A control box will appear. Click the checkbox to activate, and then slide the control bar to zoom on the field of view. Task setup and exercise examples. The skill kit supplies are made to fit into the pegboard for stability. The post with the cover on the tip is sharp. Please handle this with care and retain the cap. Replace the cap when storing. Locate the materials in the kit that are needed for the chosen task and position them firmly into the holes on the pegboard as shown. Arrange the kit parts as described on the task cards or as you see fit to accomplish the chosen task. Once the parts are in place, close the top of the trainer, making sure the cover flaps are on the outside of the frame. Remove the cover from the webcam lens. Turn the webcam lights to the on position by rotating the thumb switch on the cord. The lights will automatically adjust when placed in the trainer box, depending on the ambient light of the room. You can adjust the lights manually using the cord switch as well. Turn the trainer so that the open end is toward you. Position the laptop at the closed and opposite end of the trainer to simulate the OR monitor. Place the webcam through the open end of the TASKit trainer box and position it on the platform as shown. You should have a view of the inside of the trainer on your computer. Adjust the position and the angle of the camera head until the view simulates the view using a laparoscope. Focus the webcam by rotating the lens on the front of the camera. The tasks shown are performed standing near the open end of the trainer. You should position yourself wherever you are comfortable or would normally stand in the OR, depending on the task. Insert 2 laparoscopic instruments into the trainer at a comfortable position for your hands. Try to keep your arms comfortably at your sides and start with the camera between your hand instruments as shown. Trocar sleeves help to simulate the feeling of proper instrument insertion, but are not required with the trainer. Hand-eye coordination, task example 1. Using your dominant hand, move the plastic beads from the container to one of the posts. As you become more comfortable, incorporate the use of your non-dominant hand in the exercise by transferring beads from one hand instrument to the other, and then placing the beads on the post. Hand-eye coordination, task example 2. Using 2 posts placed approximately 4 to 5 spaces apart, retrieve a rubber band from the container and stretch it over both of the posts. Using both graspers for this exercise to simulate traction and counter-traction. We encourage you to develop your own skilled tasks and share them with us. We will post your ideas and new exercise periodically on www.eesedu.com in the TASKit Trainer section.